Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Elementor video series. In this video, we will see how to use the tabs element in Elementor. We will create different types of layouts for the tabs. This is the basic layout of the horizontal tabs. Here you will see 3 different tabs. And inside the tab, you will see image, which is placed at different positions. So this is the first example of the horizontal tab. Now this is the vertical tab. So here also you will see 3 different tabs. So you have got content and image. So you can customize these tabs, you can change the style settings, and you can change the position of the tabs also. This comes with the basic Elementor plugin, so you do not need Elementor Pro to use this element. We will also install a free plugin which will give you an additional advanced tabs option. So this is an example of advanced tabs option. You will see different customization here. So this is the horizontal tabs using a free plugin. You can also add image in these tabs. And this is the vertical one. And this one is post tab. So we will also create tab which will show the post of particular categories. So on this dummy website, I have blog post in 3 different categories: tips, daily, and blog. So if I move to tips, it will show the blog post from the tips category. If I move to daily, it will go to the blog post from daily categories. And if I go to blog category, it will show the blog post from this particular category. So we are going to use the blog post using this free plugin. So let's see how does this work.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website, and on this website you are using Elementor Page Builder. First we will start with the tabs element that comes with the basic Elementor plugin. So you do not need Elementor Pro plugin for this. So I'm on the demo page, so we are going to add the tabs element here. So let me first add the new section. So I'm going to add new section. Let's add some padding to the top and bottom. Right now click on the plus sign and here search for tabs. So this is the element that we are going to use, tabs. So let's click on tabs, drag it and drop it here. So this is the default layout. Okay, you will see tab 1 and tab 2. Here you will see the settings for tab 1 and tab 2. So we are going to change the settings here. So let's click on this one, tab 1. This is the title here. So I'm going to change it. Let's say website design, and this is the content. So I'm going to use some dummy content here. Now you can see that we have got some content and title in the tab 1. So let's go to the tab 2 and change the name of this one also. Let's say search engine optimization. So this is the name of the second tab, and here put some content. So basically you will get text editor under each tab. So if you want to add new tab, you can click on add item and you will be able to add new tab. Let's add something here, marketing, and let's add content also. So we have got 3 tabs and content for these 3 tabs. So let's go to the first tab. Now here, if you want to add image, you can add image also. So I'm on the first tab, website design, and I want to add one image here. So I'm going to here click on add media, and I'm going to add an image here. Here you will see the image is added. I'm going to, let's say, left align it. So here you will see the image and text under the tab. Let's go to the second tab. I want to add image here also at the top, and it will be full width. So I'm going to add media, select a new image, and click on this image, edit, and let's make it full size. Click update. So here you will see the full size image in the tab. Let's go to the third tab, and I want to add image at the bottom. So I'm going to the bottom, click on add media. Let's select the image and let's make it full width. So here you will see the image at the bottom, here image at the top, and here it is aligned to the left side. So this is how you can change the content in the tabs. Now here you will see the position, horizontal or bottom. So it is now set to horizontal. You can change it to vertical, and this is how it will look in vertical. Okay, now here you will see the alignment of the tab. So it is at the start, center. So you will see that center is here. At the end, that means at the bottom, and justified. So justified will come across the full width. So I'm going to change it to horizontal, and let's see how does this look on horizontal. It's at the start. You will see the tabs at the start, center. This is the center, end, and justified. So it will be divided throughout the width. So right now I'm going to set it to start. So you will see 3 tabs here. Now let's go to the style section. Here you will see the border width. So this is the border, you see it. This is the border. So I'm going to keep it on 1 and change the color. Now you will see the dark color. And this is for the background color. So if you want to change the background color, you can simply change the background color from here. So you can use any color from here. So this is how it will look. So when you go to a next tab, you will see that background color there also. Let's use something light. Okay, so this is the background color of the tab selected. Now this is the title color. Right now it is set to blue, so I'm going to make it dark blue. So this is the color, and this is for the active tab color. So I'm going to change it to, let's say, red, dark. Okay, so this will be the color for the active title. So if you want to change the typography, you can change it from here. You can change the font size. You can also change the font type. Okay, you can also change the text stroke. Now this is for the content color. This is the content. You want to change the color, you can change the color from here. So this is how you can change the content color, and from here you can change the content size also, the text size, and this font type also. Alright, now let's update this one and let's see how does this look. Go to view page. So this is how it will look. Tab 1, tab 2, tab 3. Right, now let's go back and let's duplicate this one. Right now it is set to horizontal. I'm going to change it to vertical, and this is how it will look for the vertical. Okay, right now the tabs are selected to justified. I'm going to change it to start, because each tab has different text and different size of images. So if I select to the center and if I go to the next tab, the position of the tabs will change. If I set it to end, then also it will change. So we will have to scroll and those things. So I'm going to change it to start only. Okay, let's update it. So we have got 2 types of tabs, horizontal and vertical. Let's refresh it. Okay, so this is the horizontal one and this is the vertical one. Now I'm going to install a free plugin that will give you an additional advanced tabs element. So let's go to the plugins and click on add new. This is a free plugin that you can use, and let's search for Elements Kit Lite. Now here you will see the plugin Elements Kit Elementor add-on. This is the plugin that we are going to install. I have it installed already, so I'm going to install plugins and I'm going to activate it now. So this is the plugin that you can install and activate it. Now let me go back to this one and refresh this one. Okay, so here I'm going to add new section, and now search for tab, and you will see this option here. This is the post tab. You will see an option here, post tab 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘, that is Elements Kit, and this one is 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘, that is also added because of the free plugin. So first I'm going to use this tab. Let's drag it and drop it here. Okay, so you will see the default layout of this tab. So let's see, right now it is set to horizontal. Now here you can see that we have an additional icon option here, and the tabs look different than the default one. So let's see, show caret. So I'm going to enable it, and you will see different caret option. If I select this one, it will show the caret on the activated tab. So you can select any one of them. So I'm going to use this one. So if I go to this one, it will show the caret here. All right, now the next is full width. So you can see that the tab's width is full now. Icon position, you can change this is the navigation icon. You can change it to top, to the right, or bottom. So I'm going to select it to left. Okay, so the icon is on the left. Now icon spacing, you can change the spacing from here. Spacing between the icon and the text. Nav item alignment, right now it is set to center, so I'm going to change it to left. Okay, now let's see, when do you want to change the tabs? So if there are two options, on hover or click. So if I set to hover, it will get changed whenever I move the cursor on it. So you will get confused, so I'm going to change it to click. So whenever I click on this tab, then only it will open this tab content. Okay, now these are the three tabs contents. So you can change the text from here. So this is the title, and here you can change the icon. So I'm going to keep the same icon. Now let's change it to globe. So you will see this option here, and from just like the default one, you can add the content here. This is the text editor, so you can add the image. So this is the content for this tab. You can change the color also from here. Using the text editor, you can change the color. So whatever options you have for the text editor, you will be able to add under the tabs. Okay, so this is for the first one. The second one, let's change it to SEO, and from here you can change the icon. You can also use image instead of icon. You can also use image, but that will look too big, so I'm not going to use image. However, you can go to image, and from here you can select image. So this is how you can add image instead of icon. So I'm going back to the icon, and let's search for new icon. So this is the second tab, and here is the content. You can also use pointers. So here you will see the list for the second tab. Let's go to the third tab from here, and let's change it to marketing. So from here you can change the icon. Whatever icon you want, you can use the icon. And let's add some content here. Alright, so this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third tab. If you want to add more tab, you can simply click on add item and it will get added. Now here you can change the style, horizontal or vertical. Just like the default one, you can change this one also. Okay, now let's go to the style setting. This is for the wrapper. Wrapper is nothing but the entire section. If you want to add some padding, you can add padding. You can see this line here. If I add border, you will see this wrapper section, entire wrapper section. So I'm going to change the border to 1 pixel. Color for the border. So this is how it will look. I have added the border as well as the border radius. Okay, now this is nav wrapper. So this is the navigation and a wrapper for the navigation. So I don't think we need to make any changes here. However, if you want to add background color, you can add background color. Let me show you. So the background color for the entire navigation bar. So I'm not going to use it. So you can add border and border radius. The next is navigation items. So these are the items. So typography, you can change the size from here. So this is the size. and you can also change the font family. Icon size also change from here. Margin right, so margin and other padding settings also can be changed. Now here you will see the background color. So right now it is blue. You can change this color from here, black. You will see the color here, black. For the active, you can change the color for the active. So this is for the active. Okay, now background type. So here you will see the background type. You can change the title color from here. So this is how it will look. Right, so these are the basic settings for the customization. Now let's go to the caret. We are using the predefined caret, so we are not going to change any settings for the caret here. And this is for the body. So this is the body. You can change the text color from here. Okay, and if you want to change the background color particularly for the body, you can change that also. So here you can add some padding and the text will come under this. So you can see this. Now let's update it. Let's go back and refresh it. So this is the new tab that we have added. So this one has a lot of customization as compared to the free tab that comes with the Elementor. Now let's duplicate this one and use the vertical alignment. So let's make it vertical. So this is how it will look. And for the vertical, we are going to change the caret. So we are going to use this one. And let's change the style also. For here, we are going to add the background color for the active. Okay, so this one looks good now. So for the active, we are going to change the color. Okay, so this one looks good now. We have changed the caret and the background for the active color. Let's update it and let's go back and refresh it. So this is how the vertical will look. Now let's add the post tabs. So I'm going to add a new section here. So when we add the new free plugin, we will get additional option to add the post tabs. So let's go for the search for the tab, and here you will see the option post tab, that is by 𝗟𝗚𝗞𝗘 Elements Kit. Drag it and drop it here. Now what it will show, basically it will show the post on your website, the blog post on your website, and these are the categories of the blog post. So it will get categories automatically and it will show the blog post here. So let's customize it. Right now it shows 3 posts for each category. You can change the column. So it is now in 3 columns. So on this dummy website, I have only 3 blog posts, and all the 3 blog posts are shown on each category. Okay, now how do you want to show? So whenever I click on the tab, it will show the post in that tab. You can, if you want to remove any category, you can simply remove it or add it. Okay, now let's go to the style section. Now let's go to the tab items. So these are the tab items. You can change the size, the text, font. Let's have some padding. And color. So here you can change the color. So you will see 3 colors. You will see the black color here. For the active, we are going to change the color to blue. So this one is active and this is not active. Okay, now background. So these are the basic style settings. You can make changes to the basic style settings. For the normal also, you can change the background. Now this is for the image. So right now you can see when I move the cursor on the image, it moves. So if you want to disable that option, you can do it here. Okay, now this is the alignment. And now let's update it. and go back and refresh it. So here you will see the blog post tab. So if I move to the next one, you will see the blog post from the other categories. So it will basically get all the categories automatically, and it will show the blog post from those categories. Right now it shows 3 blog posts. If you want to change the number of blog posts, you can change it from here. Right now I have only 3 blog posts on this dummy website, so it's showing only 3. So this is how you can use the tabs element using Elementor. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.